help you. Accept me. You told me to cover up, to hide. Yes, until we can fix everything. And we still can. We can cover those up and put everything right again. I'll tell Mira and Zoe that it was all a lie, an illusion by Dima to break us apart. No, no more hiding. No more lies. Yumi, we can still fix this. Don't you get it? This is what I am. Look at me. Why can't you look at me? Why couldn't you love me? I do.